Number 5. Teleportation of a child. This short footage is taken from BBC News and published on Twitter. Here one lady is giving interview to the reporter. Suddenly after some time behind this lady a child from nowhere appears. It literally looks like teleportation. What do you think about it? Welcome to Ultimate Top 5. We are committed to deliver top scary and creepy videos. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Number 4. Mystery of an Animal. This video was published by What the Funny on YouTube. In this video, some black unknown creature is sitting in the middle of the jungle. Few moments later, dog barks, and we can see the real size of the creature. It is giant and scary at the first sight. Different people comment different views on this creature. Some say it's a new animal, some say it's a ghost or something. What are your opinions on it? Number 3. Unexplainable Sound. This video was published by Jeremy McLean in 2019. Here a man heard some strange unexplainable sound in the middle of the night. He just went to investigate this sound. As soon as he went outside, after some time the sound turned off. Some people say it could be breaking of a train. Some say it could be car alarm, but actually we do not know reality. What are your opinions on it?
His head. What is that?
Number 2. Paranormal Light. This footage is from UK. A security camera catches an unexplainable paranormal pink light. Is it a spirit or a ghost? What are your opinions on it? Number 1. Unknown person. This video was published by Christian Garcia in 2017. Here one person was driving in the night and suddenly he saw a man sitting on one side of the road. The person stopped his bike and asked him, "Who is he?" But the person didn't answer. It looked scary. What do you think about this video?
Roca, güey.
Vas a parar, güey. Oh, no mames, güey. Aquí está, güey. Órale. Órale. Señor. Señor. Hola, señora. ¿Qué dice? ¿Eh? ¿Quién es? ¿Qué le pasa?
¿Cómo se llama?
¿Cómo se llama? Está en medio de la nada, ¿no? ¿Le pasa algo?